Public speaking, the skill that nurtures leadership skills. Have you ever noticed how great leaders have great public speaking skills? For example, Barack Obama, how convincing he sounds when delivers speeches. That's because if you were stand up and speak in a powerful way, you are speaking in such a way that is convincing enough for people to change their minds. Can your kids do that? Definitely yes. Have you ever wondered why your kid avoids talking in public? Or why don't they participate in the group discussion? Or even if they do so, why their participation is minimum? Kids are shy because they are worried of what others would think of them. However, it's all a matter of techniques. If they master the skill of public speaking, nothing can stop them from becoming the leader they aspire to be. If you have to do the talking for your kid, maybe because they find it difficult to express themselves, the public speaking techniques can fade that away. Not only will they be able to speak fluently, but you would soon notice them doing it for you too.